Good morning students. Students of class 6, we will discuss chapter An Indian American Woman in Space, that is Kalpana Chawla. As you know, she was the first woman to go into the space. Today we will discuss this chapter. Source is Honeysuckle. Chapter is of class 6. Myself is Anjula Agarwal, TGT English from Kendriya Vidyalaya number 1, Roorkee. This is the book cover, Honeysuckle. Now, introduction. This is an inspirational story of first Indian-born American astronaut, Kalpana Chawla. She has inspired many Indians, especially the girls who could pursue their dream so as to make their nation and parents proud. Her achievement has opened doors to opportunities. Indians' reputation worldwide is also raised. There was shock and disbelief in her hometown. In this picture you can see her husband. Kalpana Chawla gave a message to students of her college in Chandigarh. She said, "The path from dreams to success does exist. May you have a vision to find it, the courage to get onto it. Wishing you a great journey." Really, Kalpana Chawla was a brave girl. Her achievements are an inspiration to millions of young Indians. Now, I am telling you summary of this story. Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian American to go into space in 1997. Kalpana was born in Haryana. She graduated as an aeronautical engineer in India and then went to the United States for a master's degree. Kalpana was married to flight instructor. In 1994, she was selected as an astronaut. Kalpana Chawla's first space mission in Space Shuttle Columbia lasted for about 16 days in space, but while returning to Earth, the space shuttle carrying Kalpana and her crew met with a tragedy. It broke apart in flames on Saturday, 1st Feb 2003, killing all on board. Now, some difficult words are used in this video. Frontiers, extremes, unlike, different, look up, find out, astronaut, space traveler as Kalpana Chawla was, take off, launch, strip, a long narrow path, lost contact, became disconnected, altitude, height, launch pad, launch spot, blast off, start, disbelief, distrust, survive, remained alive, oh, inspiring, thrilling. Matching words of the same meaning. In this is, nowadays, in these times, super specialization, great expertise in a limited field of a particular subject, certified flight instructor, a person with the correct qualification to teach people to fly planes, unprecedented space tragedy, a sad accident of a kind that has never happened before. Now, this is forming opposites by adding un. Using un means not. This is a prefix. If we use it in the beginning of the word, those are called prefix, as it is used in the beginning of the word, and the meaning is not, identified, unidentified, controlled, uncontrolled, attending, unattended, successful, unsuccessful, important, unimportant, educated, uneducated, interesting, uninteresting, qualified, unqualified. Yes, in this story, so many British or American English words has been used. There are slight difference between these spelling, as color. American English will be as labor is given COLOR, labor LABOUR, traveler में double L TRAVE, double LER, counselor COUNSELOR, center CENTER. Yes, multiple choice question. What was the name of the space shuttle carrying her to space? Yes, answer is Columbia. Second is, why was she called Indian American? Note down in your notebook. Answer is B, born in India, married to American. Next, what was Kalpana's great achievement? Yes, the answer is to go into space. What was her field of excellence besides an astronaut? Yes, answer is all of the above. Now the time is of short question. How did Kalpana Chawla meet her end? When did his tragedy take place in space? Kalpana Chawla went up in the space shuttle along with 6 other astronauts. The shuttle Columbia broke apart on Saturday, February 1, 2003. All of them on board were killed while entering into atmosphere of the Earth. Kalpana Chawla was a heroine. Yes. How did a journalist support his statement? Really, she was a heroine despite being born in the small town of Karnal. She was genius. She became an astronaut. She had encyclopedic knowledge of many subjects. She made great achievement in life. Her biggest achievement was going to the space. How is the story of Kalpana Chawla an inspiration to millions of Indian and especially girls, as this has been described in the beginning of the text? What does Kalpana Chawla say pursuing a dream? Kalpana Chawla said that the path from dreams to success exists. Individual needs to have the vision to find it and the courage to get